Hey guys, in this video I will walk you through the 10 significant tips and tricks for IELTS reading which could potentially boost up your score. At the end of this video, I'm also going to share a bonus tip which could have a huge impact on your reading skills. So stick to this video right till the end. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. Read every day. Make a habit of reading every day for at least 30 minutes. Start by reading topics of your interest and read slowly in the beginning to gain the momentum. Eventually, your reading speed and comprehension improves with time. I would suggest you to read on your smartphones for the sake of convenience. Google it. Make the maximum use of this incredible free search engine naming Google. It's inevitable to stumble on new words while reading. Make sure to Google their meanings along with their pronunciations, and don't forget to make notes for the same in order to rehearse them regularly. Analyzing your mistakes. Be sure to analyze your answers before practicing further tests. Mistakes improve your test competency only if you analyze them thoroughly and rectify them along the way. Reading the questions first. Don't jump directly on reading the passage. Instead, read the questions first, read them thoroughly, and mark the main points of the question. Once you finish reading questions, then you can start reading the passage. This way, your mind is already fetched with the information which you have to look for. Afterwards, when you start reading the passage, it will pop into your mind whenever the answer of any question arises. Spellings and instructions. Make sure to write your spellings correctly because wrongly spelled answer is not counted. Furthermore, pay a keen attention towards the instructions on the top, as misunderstanding them could lead to the potential mistakes. Paraphrased statements. You cannot find exactly the same words or sentences every time. Look for synonyms or paraphrased statements. Skimming. In my opinion, skimming cannot be done without significant practice. Skimming in simple words means being able to read fast. I believe being a fast reader is an advantage, and to be the one, you have to read a lot. In addition, there should be a variety in your reading. Scanning. We can scan for names, dates, statistics, and numbers, etc. However, it's nearly impossible to scan ideas. Guess the answer. Don't leave any question unanswered. In case you run out of time, it's better to guess the answer rather than leaving it blank. Oftentimes, your guessed answer makes a notable difference in your score if it were right. Moving your pen or cursor along. Try moving your pencil or cursor while reading the passages. This improves your reading speed and comprehension. Now, as I said in the beginning, let's talk about the bonus tip. Don't mumble while reading. If you mumble or make the lip movement while reading, you're forcing yourself to read slowly because you're making yourself to read at the same rate as you speak. Therefore, make a habit of reading without lip movement in order to improve your reading speed. So guys, these were 10 tips and tricks for IELTS reading. I'm pretty sure that incorporating them in your IELTS preparation will certainly improve your score. I hope you liked this video. If you did so, then don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe my channel, because in this way I get motivated to make more and better content for you. I also recommend you to watch my IELTS reading structure and IELTS listening series in order to improve your score in those modules. This is the end for this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep smiling and keep practicing.